Hello, what is up everybody, of Nissan here, back with yet another diecast car video. And in today's video we are going back to Mini GT, and in today's unboxing we will be checking out the Nissan Silvia S15. Where is it? Hold on. LB Super Silhouette Nissan Silvia S15 Liberty Walk. And as you can see, this is the Auto Finesse SEMA 2023 livery. As you can see, that is a nice gorgeous pink and white livery. This is pretty new as well, the Mini GT S15 in its recent color in white and pink. There is also another color that just launched. What was it about? It was white, blue and orange if I'm not mistaken, or is it white, blue and yellow? And this is the white, pink and black. I think I've done a shorts video on this. And of course, with the box version, I actually bought the blister version, as I got it because it has a nice background right there. Just look at that, that is very nice, and we're just gonna keep it as it is in the blister. So yeah, this is the blister version with the nice looking background. I plan to get Wataru Kato's signature on this card, hopefully when I get to meet him at a coming event. There is the car and also the box, pretty much the same as just the box version. Of course, we're gonna open up the box version. This one remains sealed, of course, just like the R34. Yeah, this is a nice one. Yeah, I love the background art on this one. And of course, here is the one that we're opening today. So this is apart from the Auto Finesse 2023 of SEMA. We've seen the Auto Finesse livery in white and blue, which is quite expensive nowadays. A very rare one to find in a cheap price at the market, but it is obtainable. But then you might need to pay a big price in order to get the Auto Finesse white and turquoise, I think, or is it white and blue? I'm not sure. Auto Finesse livery. Oops. So yeah, this one, however, is in white and pink, and it's fully matte, right? Yeah. Oh, sorry. The white bits are actually metallic. The matte pink bits are actually matte. So as you can see right here, this resembles a bit of the Japanese flag or so, as you can already know. Although it's not in red, it is in pink. It still resembles a nice looking color. I really like it. Do love the design that this car comes in. I love the rims as well. So it does the Auto Finesse on the top. And yeah, metal base, of course, as usual. So yeah, let's put it on our turntable. I believe this is the third time that I'm reviewing a Silvia S15 Liberty Walk. The first one would be, of course, the Goodwood Festival of Speed FOS. What year is it? 2023, 2024, I think. I'm not sure. The white and yellow usual color, of course, for the Silvia. And then it was the Liberty Walk Kuma livery, white, blue and pink. And now it's in white and pink now, with the matte pink livery, and of course the black stripes here and there, with the main color of the body being white. It's a really nice combination, if you ask me personally, especially the matte pink. I like that one a lot. Yeah, you have overall a lot of details here and there on the car, which we'll talk about. So if I'm not mistaken, Mini GT did 143 scale and also 118 scale of this particular car somehow. And yeah, they did sell all of them publicly now, I think. I don't think it's a pre-order anymore, because the 118 and 143 scaled models are not based on the brand Mini GT, but they are other brand names but under the same roof, which is TSM model, whereas this one is basically well, Mini GT, of course, Mini GT. Oh, I just realized something. Did I not talk about the box just now? I think I didn't. Let's just glance through the box. I think I forgot. So yeah, let's talk about the box here real quick. Nissan Silvia S15 LB Silhouette, Super Silhouette Auto Finesse SEMA 2023, number 781, and I believe that's all. Mostly all of the other parts are the same. It is right-hand drive, just if you're wondering. And there is the bottom. Yeah, just a run through of the box. I forgot to show you guys the box just now. So it is the S15 in white and pink. And yeah, it looks gorgeous as always. So yeah, 5-spoke matte black rims with the silver outline, which is nice. What else to talk about? So you do have some parallel blacked out stripes, from a thin stripe towards a thicker stripe with the number 99 right there, Liberty Walk logo right there. Pink circle right there with the Japanese text. Now that kind of resembles the Japanese flag, but instead of red it's pink. What does that say? I see LBWK, Rodiform, I think, and some other sponsors right there. Not sure what sponsor is this. Yeah, you do have the side skirts. Of course, you do have the wide body of the LBWK right there, which is nice. What else? So yeah, you do have some more stripes over there as well. Over on the front here, you do see the transparent headlights right here with the front grille, and of course the intake at the bottom. Liberty Walk right there. What does that say? I'm not sure. Nissan right there at the bottom in white, and also you do have the extended front splitter right here, which is nice, matte black. What else does that? What does that say? Not sure. What is it? Is it focusing? Oops. What does that say? Okay, I honestly don't know. I'm not sure what does that say. Yeah, here was the front just now, and of course here's the top. Some vents here in black. Don't know what does that say. Japanese text again with the pink right there. Some more matte pink over on here, which is nice. Does say Nissan right there. Regular windshield tint, blacked out interior, right-hand drive. It does say identity right there as well. And over on the roof of the car, yeah, you do have a matte pink colored roof right there, and it does say Auto Finesse, which is actually really nice. I love the font that they've chose, and yeah, I love the design that that has come to life right here on the roof. The roof, it looks very nice. Really do like it as well. I forgot to mention, side mirrors are rubber by the way and colored in black. Very tiny side mirrors actually. Here's the side, pretty much the same, nothing much of difference. Over on the rear window, it does say number 99. I believe it says identity again. And of course in the middle right here you do have the rear spoiler, which is technically smaller than the wide body kit right here. And of course you do have the LB logo right there. Yeah, you have the rear spoiler, which is quite small. Does say Rodiform on the top right here, matte pink. Does have the LB logo right there as well. So yeah, red colored rear lights here at the bottom. Nissan logo right here. LBWK. I don't know what does that say. Rear license plate, and of course you do have the rear intakes right here at the back of the car, which is nice. Oh, sorry, not intakes, the diffuser. Sorry. Rear diffusers, which are quite big. And of course, over on the bottom right here, metal, blacked out base, matte black base. Mini GT 2002 Nissan Silvia S15, used under license. And yeah, that's it. S15 Silvia, made by Mini GT. I don't know how this is the how many time they've made this casting, but yet again, all of the times that they've released colors of this car, they have been quite a phenomenal hit. And actually there is two reviews that are on their way. One would be the one that I said early on, the white, yellow, red and blue, I think. So yeah, you can basically see that this car is just fantastic, where it has been always been a very nice car to have in the collection as per usual, especially when it comes to the Liberty Walk Silvia S15. People have been eyeing their self on this car before the prices rise up, basically, as this is a Silvia, and it has been quite a piece of car that people have been chasing around of, and yeah, people really do still like it. But yeah, there you go, that is my full review of the Mini GT Nissan Silvia S15 LB Super Silhouette Liberty Walk out of Finesse 2023 SEMA. And that's all for my review today. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See more of the videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.